Hi, my name is Tom, and I'm going to show you off my fancy beer glass. I've actually had this for about 2 years now, and I just realized I never actually reviewed it. So it's a little bit scratched up. I've actually used it a lot. I do enjoy having a beer every now and then, and I enjoy trying different flavors, and I will always pour it into this glass. I'm not sure if it actually makes things taste better, but the whole experience of drinking beer is a little more enjoyable with it for just a couple quick reasons. One, it's a wonderful shape. It fits well in the hand. It's nice. It's comfortable. It feels like you're drinking from a goblet when you hold it up here. You can hold it down here as well. It fits fine into a little cup holder of any sort. It's just kind of a comfortable glass. When you do put beer into it, it's got this beautiful bowl shape here. You can see it through the light. You can kind of look at it. You can ponder deeply while you stare at it. It's just a fun glass. I really enjoy it. When I wash it, I do go ahead and I either hand wash it or I have put it in the dishwasher many times and it's held up well. As you can see, again, 2 years old, a couple tiny scratches on it. You can still see the etching on the bottom. The etching's on the inside. We'll talk about that in a second. I know this is a pint glass. They hold about the same, more or less. I think there's a little bit more in here. But this will hold a typical 12-ounce bottle or can of beer just fine. This is kind of a boring look. I mean, yeah, okay, fine. It's boring. This just feels more sophisticated. It's more fun. I really enjoy it. It's great. So on this glass, there's actually some etching on the bottom. And that etching is supposed to kind of make the bubbles keep continually coming up as you sit and you have the glass there. I'm going to go ahead and test that theory out. I'm going to take 2 glasses and I'm going to put 4 ounces of beer into each. I'm going to go ahead and watch and we'll see what we see. This is a flat glass, no etching at all. It's just a clear pint glass. And then this is the glass, the Be Hoppy glass with the etching on the bottom. Now, as you can see, the heads are a little bit different, but that could just be because of the way I poured them. But you can still see, even though it's hazy, you can see there are some bubbles in here. There's no activity, no bubbles down here. There you go. Little bubbles are forming. Hard to see exactly because of the glass, just because of the angle of the bubbles. So here you go. There are bubbles forming with the etching at the bottom. There are not bubbles forming down here. It just kind of gives it a neat effect. I'm not sure if it's actually building the head up anymore, but it still is neat, building a neat effect. But yeah, there we go. That's actually, I just really like this glass. It's one of my favorites. I only have one. I should probably get some more, but I really enjoy it.